Hey guys, today I'm going to make some scrambled eggs with sausage. So let's get walking. I don't cook on the stove all that much, but when I do, I usually use this carbon steel wok. It's not real pretty, but it does a nice job, and it has a lid that goes with it too, so I can even cook a whole chicken in there if I want to. I've done it a few times. So I've got some maple link sausage here, and there's like 5 links in there. So I'm just going to cut them up in little bite-sized pieces here. I have my pan warming up over kind of medium heat here. It's on number 7 on this stove. So I'm just going to brown the sausage up, and then I'll add the eggs at the end when the sausage is all cooked. So I'll get these all cut up. I'll add just a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil. I use that when I'm cooking the wok a lot because it has a high smoke point. The sausage looks good, and I turned the heat down to low now, so about number 3 on this stove. I like to cook the eggs at a lower heat because they come out creamier. If you cook them at too hot of a temperature, they come out more rubbery. So I took 3 eggs and beat them up. We'll add those. And we'll just kind of keep an eye on them and keep stirring them around a little bit as they cook. Alright, I'll just keep stirring them a little bit as they cook like this. And I'm going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of my Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. These look good. I just turned the heat off. Now I'll put them on a plate. They come right out of the wok nicely. If you don't have a wok, just do these in a frying pan. That'll work fine. Anyway, let's try by here. That came out real good. That'd make good breakfast burritos if you put it in a tortilla with some cheese. Annie should like this. Want a piece of sausage, Annie? There you go. That was good. I could eat that for any meal of the day. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.